Shifting attention to India, the key state elections being concluded in India. The focus now shifts to the general elections where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be looking to secure a third term in the office. But how are markets placing their bets for the biggest democratic exercise in the world? That's what is next in this report. Take a look.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his party displayed a strong performance in state poll results that were announced recently. Meanwhile, the following trade session saw Indian markets opening at record highs and continue that momentum to finish the day strongly. While markets are raising bets that interest rates in the US may have peaked, this week's rally is proof that markets are more optimistic about PM Modi returning to power in 2024 when the world's largest democracy goes for polls. While it is true that markets do not favor political candidates, policy continuity is important for long-term investors betting on certain sectors. And now, the markets seem to have taken some bets more seriously. One notable sector experiencing a considerable uptick is finance. Financial stocks have witnessed a robust performance, suggesting that investors anticipate the stable economic environment to continue under the current leadership. The government's focus on economic reforms, coupled with initiatives to boost financial inclusion and digitization, is likely contributing to this positive sentiment. As financial institutions thrive, investors seem to perceive a continuity of policies that support economic growth. Similarly, the cement and infrastructure sectors have shown market growth. This trend aligns with the government's emphasis on capital expenditure and development initiatives, including large-scale infrastructure projects. Investors are interpreting this as a positive signal, indicating sustained government commitment to driving economic expansion through critical sectors. The infrastructure push is also seen as a catalyst for job creation and overall economic development. Stocks affiliated with the Adani Group, a conglomerate with diverse interests spanning infrastructure, logistics, and energy, have also experienced a surge. These collective market movements indicate that investors are optimistic about the political landscape and economic trajectory of the country with continued leadership. The sectors experiencing growth are strategically aligned with the government's key focus areas, signaling a belief among investors that the current government policies will drive sustained economic development. As the country heads towards the 2024 general elections, the market's response to the state polls underscores a prevailing sentiment of continuity, stability, and growth. Bureau Report, WION World is One.